If you want to create a Gmail account for your child, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. I'll show you exactly where to go, what to click, and how to complete the parental consent part so you can set it up correctly and safely. This is a great way to help manage your child's online experience while still giving them access to Gmail and other Google services under supervision. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Google Child Account Setup page. You can enter the link directly in the address bar and it will take you to the sign-up flow for creating a supervised account for a child. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to continue. Click Yes, Continue, and then choose Let's Go when prompted. This begins the setup process and takes you to the section where you can create the child's account. Next, select Create an Account for your child. This is very important because you want the account to be set up as a supervised child account, not a regular personal Gmail account. After selecting that option, Google will ask for the child's information. Enter the child's name, their birth date, and then choose the Gmail address you want to use. If the name or email you want is already taken, you may need to try a different variation until you find one that is available. Once that is done, create a password for the child's account. Make sure it is something secure but also something you can remember or store safely since you may need to help manage the account later. After entering the password, Google may ask you to review or confirm some of the account details before moving forward. Take a moment to double check everything so you know the information is correct. After that, you'll be prompted to scan the QR code and verify the setup. This step helps connect the process securely and continue the account creation flow. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and complete the verification step as shown. If the system asks you to continue on another device, just follow the prompts until verification is finished. Now comes one of the most important parts, parental consent. You will be asked to sign in with your own Google account to verify your identity and approve the creation of your child's supervised account. This step is required because Google needs a parent or guardian to authorize the setup. Enter your own Google account details when prompted, then review the consent information carefully before agreeing. Make sure you read through the permissions and supervision details so you understand how the account will be managed. Once you approve the consent, Google will finish setting up the child's Gmail account and apply the parental supervision settings. After that, the account should be ready to use. And that's it. You've now created a Gmail account for your child and completed the parental consent process. You can now use the account under supervision and manage it through your own Google account settings whenever needed. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tech walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.